Picture this. You're walking down a busy city street. Instead of police officers on the corner, you see tall robotic machines. They scan faces, check ID cards, and even predict if someone might commit a crime. Now imagine an army of robotic dogs running through fields. On their backs, they carry weapons. No fear, no emotions, just orders. And then, look up to the sky. Swarms of drones fly in formation, guided by artificial intelligence. They don't just watch, they can strike. This is not science fiction. This is not decades away. This is China, and their AI-powered robot army is already here. Today, we're diving into one of the most shocking realities of our time, the rise of China's AI robot army. In the past few years, China has made more progress in artificial intelligence and robotics than many countries have made in decades. And unlike in other places where AI is used for business, entertainment, or education, in China, much of it is being built for control, security, and even war. We'll look at the real robots already deployed, the military strategy behind this rise, and why experts warn it could be one of the most dangerous shifts in modern history. Stay with me, because this is more than just a scary story. This is our future. China's massive push into AI. China has a very different way of building technology compared to the West. In countries like the US, AI is often developed by private companies like Google, OpenAI, or Microsoft. Yes, they sometimes work with governments, but they are independent businesses first. In China, things are different. Technology is tightly linked to the government. The Chinese Communist Party sees AI as a powerful tool to control society and to increase military strength. In 2017, China announced a bold plan. They wanted to be the world leader in artificial intelligence by 2030. That wasn't just a dream. They backed it with billions of dollars, huge research labs, and policies that made AI development a top national goal. The result? China is now at the center of AI breakthroughs. From facial recognition to voice recognition, from robotics to autonomous vehicles, they are pushing forward at full speed. But here's the key difference. In China, these technologies don't just go into apps or gadgets. They go into surveillance systems. They go into policing. They go into the military. And that's where the idea of an AI robot army begins to take shape. AI police robots, already on the streets. One of the clearest signs that this future is real is the rise of AI police robots. In several Chinese cities, robots shaped like tall cylinders already patrol shopping malls, train stations, and public areas. They are equipped with cameras, sensors, and facial recognition systems. These robots can scan crowds, match faces against national databases, and identify people in seconds. If someone is wanted or if the AI detects suspicious behavior, the robot alerts human police nearby. But that's not all. Some of these robots can check ID cards, issue warnings, and even block exits until officers arrive. It doesn't stop there. China has been testing predictive policing AI, software that claims it can predict who is likely to commit a crime based on data, behavior patterns, and past records. Imagine living in a society where a machine predicts you might do something wrong before you even act. That's not science fiction. That's happening in China right now. Military robot dogs. Now let's talk about something even scarier, robot dogs. You've probably seen videos of Boston Dynamics robot dogs from the US. They run, jump, and even dance. But China has taken that idea and gone further. Chinese companies have developed robot dogs that are not just for show. They are being tested in military drills. And in some cases, they carry mounted machine guns. Think about that. A four-legged machine that can run across rough ground, climb stairs, and fire weapons without fear or hesitation. Unlike a human soldier, it doesn't get tired, it doesn't panic, and it doesn't question orders. In recent Chinese military training exercises, Video footage showed these robot dogs being dropped out of helicopters, immediately standing up and preparing for combat. That is the level of advancement we're talking about. Drone swarms, the Sky Army. But the robot army isn't just on the ground. It's in the air too. China has been building massive swarms of AI-powered drones. These drones don't just fly in single lines. They move in formations like flocks of birds, guided entirely by artificial intelligence. In tests, Chinese drones have shown the ability to fly together, avoid obstacles, share data, and work as a single unit. That means if one drone spots a target, the others instantly know about it. Now imagine hundreds or even thousands of drones launched at once, each with AI targeting systems, each able to identify vehicles, buildings, or even people. Military experts warn that this could change warfare forever. Traditional defenses like missiles or anti-aircraft guns are built to shoot down a few targets, but when hundreds of small, fast drones come at once, defenses collapse. And China is leading the way in this technology, the idea of a robot army. So what does all of this mean together? Police robots on the streets, robot dogs in the military, drone swarms in the air. This is the foundation of a robot army. What makes a robot army different from a human one? First, robots don't need sleep. They don't eat, they don't complain, and they don't get tired. Second, they don't feel fear. Human soldiers hesitate. Robots don't. Third, they can be mass-produced. Once you design the AI in the machine, you can build thousands of them. That means instead of an army of 1 million soldiers, you could have an army of 10 million robots, working 24/7, never stopping. This is why military experts around the world are so alarmed. Once AI-driven armies become real, the entire balance of global power changes. Global concerns and dangers. Of course, with this new power comes huge risks. First, there's the danger of an AI arms race. If China is building robot armies, then the US, Russia, and other nations will feel forced to do the same. No country can afford to fall behind. Second, there's the danger of mistakes. AI is powerful, but it is not perfect. What happens if an AI misidentifies a target? What happens if it attacks civilians by mistake? What happens if it is hacked by enemies? Third, there's the danger of losing control. Once machines can make decisions faster than humans, there's always the risk that they go beyond what we intended. Imagine an AI army deciding on its own who is friend and who is enemy. This is why so many experts call for international rules to ban or limit AI weapons. But so far, there are no strong agreements, and while the debates continue, China is already moving ahead. Scary reality check. And here's the scariest truth: this isn't the future. This is now. AI police robots are already on Chinese streets. Robot dogs have already been shown in military drills. Drone swarms are already tested and working. While many people think of AI as just chatbots, art generators, or fun apps, China is proving that AI is also about control and power. The scary reality is simple. The robot army is already here. We are not waiting for it to arrive. We are already living in the age of AI soldiers. So here's the big question. Is this the dawn of a new era of safety, with robots protecting citizens and reducing human risks? Or is this the beginning of something much darker? A future where wars are fought by machines, where human lives are decided by algorithms, and where governments can control populations through AI surveillance? One thing is clear. China's AI robot army is no longer science fiction. It's no longer a future dream. It's reality. And the rest of the world has to decide how to respond. But what do you think? Should AI weapons be banned worldwide? Or is this just the next step in human progress? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and technology. Until next time, stay alert, because the future is already here.